So again here Matkasura walking towards the water, probably to drink water, or it may even go towards Chotitara. Let's see. So we have beautiful side lighting as of now, and chances are it is going to cross the water. So obviously you have to be in the servo mode. It is just standing over there now. So you have to be in the servo mode to shoot this air servo or autofocus continuous. It's huge, huge tiger, the male tiger of this area, Matkasur. So there you go. It changed its position. It may just वो वाला दीजिए एक मिनट, ये वाला, और रिफ्लेक्शन चाहिए. ठीक है. So obviously whenever there is water and if the tiger is walking, you need to make sure you get the reflection as well. So your composition has to be such that you get the reflection. Now it's coming this side in the grass, so again not a great image to shoot, so we just have to wait. So obviously it decided not to cross the water. It's going to go around and probably get towards the female. So you need to be very choosy when you're doing tiger photography, especially in a place like Tadoba where you get the tigers very easily. So you need to wait. Now here if you see there's a small opening, the tiger is going to come in that opening. That is my shot. So be ready. So I can't get the height, so lift the camera and handled. Again, these are useless shots. Now another important thing when it comes to any of this wildlife photography is I always use this panning pod, because like it gives the flexibility. As you can see, I'm going to keep it on the bean bag and I can easily pan it. Now what's going to happen? Here is the male may get to the female and there may be some kind of an interaction, so we need to wait for that.